Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on how to see and remove draft messages in Messenger. Let's dive right in. Open the Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Look at your list of chats. You'll see the name of each person you've chatted with, along with a preview of the most recent message. If you have a draft message in a conversation, you'll see the word draft written in blue text next to the person's name. Once you've identified the conversation with the draft, tap on it. The draft message will be automatically displayed in the chat box. If you want to send the message after all, just edit it as needed, and hit the send button. To remove the draft, simply tap and hold anywhere in the message box. This will bring up a menu with a cut option. Select cut and the draft will disappear. Messenger can only store one draft at a time, so if you start a new draft message in a different conversation, the previous draft will be overwritten and lost. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.